Hi YouTubers, in the last tutorial I've shown you how to center a JFrame and change the background color. In this tutorial I'll show you how to validate inputs and change the shape of your cursor. So we'll get started. So we'll use the last JFrame that we created. We'll add some palette components. We'll also need some text fields and a combo box. So we can resize this component and rename them. Let's call this last name. Let's call this first name. Let's call this gender, and we can remove those defaults. And here we go to properties. Under the model you see this, and you can change them. So in the first one we'll click space key in your keyboard and press enter. You can type whatever you want to type here. For me, I choose the male and female, and I'll also add a button. You can call it save, and when we run this, this is how it appears. This is the color, this is the components, and this is the way the combo box appears. This is the space we created, this is the gender, and this is the gender's input, and this is the button. Here you can use the tab key in your keyboard and it works just fine. So next thing we're going to do is to validate this input. So we'll go to events. We'll click the button events action performed. Here is where we put our code. So we'll type if we put a condition here. In these components we label them jtext field. Let's call them lname for last name. Let's call this fname for first name. Let's call this gender. So these are the variable names just changed. Go back to the source code. So we'll put here the lname dot get get text dot length equals to 0. Then you can give a message dot show message dialog, and this. We can here we put maybe please insert last name, and you can say last name missing, notification of last name missing, and we can also add J, the option pen dot can display an error message, the option pen, and we can also I think this is, let's see how it behaves so far. So when you click, wow, last name missing, let's insert last name. So you can do the same for the first name. So you'll come here, you'll come back here. You can just use the same code and just copy and paste the same code, only that here you change it to F name, and here first name, and first, and when you save it, you run it, let's say for example first name is, it already detected that last name exists, and if we remove this, for example, last name missing, first name missing. Okay, so we can also validate the last one. Okay, this one we can copy this and edit it to gender, and get selected index, which equals to 0, and then please insert gender, please select gender, and gender. So let's run it and see. Last name missing, first name missing, gender. So you can say, for example, Dennis, gender missing, and if you select gender, it's fine. So let's change the shape of the cursor. Go to properties. You can change, maybe you want to change the way it appears, the way your cursor appears. There are several options for this, and here is it. You can say, for example, southwest resize cursor, north crosshair, east. Let's choose crosshair, resize cursor and see where it appears. So we run file. This is the way it appears. This is how you can change your cursor. You notice it's across. You can choose any other design you want. For example, not. Let's run the program and see. Nice. This is the north. This is how it appears. Whenever you place it in the last name, it appears this. We didn't change for this. This works. So it works fine. So in the next one, I'll show you how to display images here when typing. It's also a form of validation. Whenever you're typing, it displays a check or a cross. Whether you're typing right, it's useful for users. So if there's any question, let us know. Otherwise, let's keep going. Thank you. See you in the next one.